So you have a big inspection report. Let's talk about what to do next. No panic, just a plan. First up, what does the report actually say? Some issues are no big deal, like peeling paint or loose doorknobs. Others, not so much. Think foundation cracks, mold, or electrical hazards. Is it a deal breaker? Maybe, maybe not. It all depends on what you're willing to take on. Step one, assess the severity. Minor, no problem. Moderate, negotiable. Major, we need a strategy. Next, you want to talk to the seller. This is where the real negotiation starts. You can ask for repairs, a price reduction, a credit at close, or worst case, walk away. The key is being specific and keeping everything in writing. No verbal agreements here. And then lean on me, your realtor. That's what I'm here for, to help navigate, negotiate, and make sure you don't get stuck with the money pit. So, what are your options? Get the seller to fix the issues, negotiate a close at credit, or if it's just too much, walk away. There's no shame in that. Bottom line, don't be discouraged. Every house has issues. Trust me, I've seen them. But the right approach, you'll find the right home. Have questions? Let's talk.